What's up? Welcome back to Sticky Teacher. Before we start, I'd like you to know that there are many people who think that Northern Vietnamese is the standard Vietnamese. However, Saigon or Ho Chi Minh City is the most popular city in Vietnam, and it's the place where people speak the Southern dialect with Southern accent. So, it's a huge advantage if you learn Southern Vietnamese. The Southern accent is notable for its honest, friendly, and sincere tone and sound, and it's very easy to listen to and to understand. So today I'm bringing you 5 tips to sound more like Southern Vietnamese. So, let's get started. Number 5. If the word starts with the letter V, change it to Y, like Y in you. Việt Nam. Yeah. Việt Nam. Vui. Vui. Về. Yeah. Vòng. Dòng. Dòng. Number 4. If the word ends with the letter N, change the N to NG. For example, bạn. Tin. Tinh. Lớn. Tan. Number 3. If the word ends with the letter T, change the T to C, so it will make the sound like CK in Nick, Vic, sick, but remember, do not produce the K sound. Ít. Ất. Vịt. Vịt. Mít. Mít. Ướt. Ước. Number 2. If the word starts with the letter Q, you change it to W, like W in water. Wow. Whoa. For example, quà. Wow. Quần. Quần. Què. Where. Quỳ. We. Number 1. Drop the letter K in the word không. Không. Ha. Không. Tôi không biết. Bạn Việt có muốn mượn tiền của mình không? Trời ơi, ba má đừng có hỏi nữa, con không biết gì hết. Nhìn mấy cái clip người ta nặng bụng thấy muốn ói quá. Ôi, tiếng Việt miền Nam, nghe sao mà âu yếm, giọng ngân dài lưu luyến, cho lòng ta thương dương. Ôi, thương ai em thương thiệt là thương. Em, cô gái Đồng Nai tình cởi mở, từ quen em nắng vàng thêm rực rỡ, dừa thêm xanh và vú sữa thêm ngon. Last but not least, you could learn a lot of Southern slang from comedies, movies, TV shows, game shows in Southern Vietnamese. Alright, thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.